eNET DNC offers an HTTP web-based dashboards. They're very similar to the built-in dashboards that you're familiar with, the most common being either our detailed dashboard, which would show you the machine, the shift, the current status, what's the part number running, the OEE, how many cycles, the last cycle, where you're at in the cycle, and the elapsed time. Another common dashboard would be the timeline, where it would show you every machine that you want to see on the list and what the status of that machine was throughout the day. Well, you can also do that through our web-based dashboard by going to Other Options. This is an option, so it's controlled by a USB key that would plug into the eNET DNC server. Once it's there, this option would become active. So it's going to show you what machines you have. You can add which ones you want to see. You can make as many users as you want. It could be a full name. I just have a couple letters here. And you can pick which machines you want to show up on each dashboard. You can pick a password for those users. What is the intervals? How many machines to show per page? You can set the font, a title that you like. You can even have it point to a website if you have a logo to point to that logo. Once that's set up, you have a couple ways you could do this. Being that this is web-based, it can work in any standard web browser. We also include a plugin called the HTTP Supervisor. By launching that, you just put in the IP address of the server, and it will go out there and launch right away and show you basically the same dashboard that you're used to seeing, but it's all web-based. So there's no USB key needed on the machine, no IP addresses or anything special. So any iPad, any tablet, any cellular phone that has internet access, or any computer, be it Linux, Windows, or anything else, is capable of viewing these different screens. So this is just one particular dashboard. I'll show you another dashboard that was similar. I'll just open up my web browser here. You can use Firefox or Chrome or other browsers. I'm just using Internet Explorer since it's a pretty common one. And in here, I'm going to put in either my computer's IP address or address, and behind I'm ending it with advanced HTML. I put in what user I want. So I had the second user, which is D, and I'm going to do the detailed dashboard this time. So you can see it's a little different, where it's showing the same thing that we saw on the one built into the software, or that you would see in the eNET Lite, where you'd have the machine, the shift, the current status, the part number, the OEE, cycle count, last cycle, where you're at in the current cycle, and elapsed time. If you have any further questions on it, please feel free to call our office or check with your local reseller, and they can give you more information. Thank you.